problem based on gravitation. Let us see a problem. Two particles of equal mass go round a circle of radius r under the action of their mutual gravitational attraction. Find the speed of each particle. Then find the each particle. Solution. In this question दो पार्टिकल जो हैं एक सर्किल के अलोंग मूव कर रहे हैं किसके कारण म्यूचुअल ग्रेविटेशन अट्रैक्शन के कारण। तो पार्टिकल्स का स्पीड फाइंड करना है। ठीक, देखते हैं। द पार्टिकल विल ऑलवेज रिमेन डायमेट्रिकली अपोजिट सो दैट द फोर्स ऑन ईच पार्टिकल विल बी डायरेक्टली अलोंग द रेडियस। ये जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो हमेशा डायमेट्रिकली अपोजिट रहेंगे। R be the radius of that circle, then the particles will always remain diametrically opposite so that the force on each particle will be directly along the radius. Consider the motion of one particle. The force on particle is due to gravitation is Fc equal to gm square by 4r square. And Fc centripetal force which is provided by gravitational force. So F gravitation equal to F centripetal and this is your gm square by 4r square and this is mv square by r square. Here v is the velocity of particle, or speed of particle. So this is your mv square by r, and here is finally we got this is your mv square by r, and finally we got gm by 4r by v square. So v equal to gm by 4r. This is a speed of particle. We will see again in new question. The question is find the acceleration due to gravity at moon surface. Find the acceleration due to gravity at moon surface. The mass of moon is 7.36 into 10 to power 22 kg, and the radius of moon is 1.74 into 10 to power 6 meter. So, to calculate the acceleration due to gravity at external point, the moon is replaced by a single particle of equal mass at its center. Then, to calculate the acceleration due to gravity at external point, the moon is replaced by single particle of equal mass at its center. जब हमें किसी भी सिस्टम के आउटसाइड पर एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी निकालना होता है तो उस मास को उसके सेंटर पर कंसंट्रेट मानते हुए एक सिंगल पॉइंट से रिप्लेस करते हैं। वही इस जगह किया गया है, इस सॉल्यूशन में वही किया गया है। मून को हम लोगों ने एक सिंगल पॉइंट मास मानते हुए उसके सेंटर पे रिप्लेस कर दिया है, मून के सेंटर। देन दिस इज योर मून एंड दिस इज योर सेंटर, देन r इज इट्स रेडियस। तो ये हमने इस सारे मास को इस सेंटर पर कंसीडर करते हुए यहाँ इस एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट और सरफेस पर जो पॉइंट है उसके लिए लिखना चाह रहे हैं। तो सारा मास को यहाँ पर कंसीडर कर मान लेते हैं। तो gm moon by this rs, and we will put the value of universal gravitational constant is 6.610 into 7.36 into 10 to power 22, and r square is 1.74 into 10 to power 6, and after calculation we will get Newton per kg. This is 1/6 of the acceleration due to gravity at earth surface. Calculate the, again we have a new question. Calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity at a point. Calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity at a point. First, 5.0 kilometer above the earth surface. Second, 5 kilometer below the earth surface. The value of g at the surface of earth is 9. Solution: the value of g at height h, if h is far less than r is the radius of earth, then relation is g equal to g0 1 minus 2h by r. 6400 kilometer. In the second half of the question is solved here. The value of G at a depth h is given by so 9.8 meter per second square 1 minus 5.0. The value of G at depth h is given by G equal to G0 into 1 minus h by r. So we put all this value in this equation and finally we will get the answer, and this will give 9.79 meter per second square.